Did you know that you can find the repair of freezers and refrigerators that work with R455A refrigerant gas? Stay with us and quickly learn the things you should know about this new refrigerant gas before repairing any equipment. Let's start by saying that R455A is a refrigerant made up of a mixture of R1234YF gases plus R32 and R744CO2 gas, specially designed for low-temperature applications in the field of commercial refrigeration. What are the characteristics of R455A? 1. R455A is slightly flammable and non-toxic, classified as R4O. This group of refrigerants are not dangerous and the technician knows the information required for handling. 2. R455A has a GWP global warming potential of 146. Precisely this low value of global warming allows the use of this gas for many years, without problems of environmental restrictions and ensures its availability. 3. R455A provides a capacity close to R404A. 4. R455A was designed to serve as an alternative for low and medium temperature applications in new systems. 5. R455A has a low temperature at the compressor discharge. 6. The discharge temperature of R455A is similar to R404A and R507 gases. 7. The magic flow of R455A is 30% lower compared to R404A and R507. 8. R455A has a high slip, but the components of the mixture compensate for its effect. 9. R455A gas must be charged in liquid phase. 10. R455A refrigerant uses P-type oil. 11. Like all R4L coolants, be sure to completely evacuate the coolant before welding. 12. Work in ventilated areas. 13. Work with fire extinguisher and leak detector. 14. Only replace electrical parts with original ones, or that are allowed for 2L gases. In the following table we can see the pressure and temperature of R455A. Since gas is a mixture, for refrigerant charge always take the liquid pressure. Subscribe to the channel.